An emblem of the Italian motorcycle for almost 70 years, Moto Guzzi V7 continues to reinvent itself, maintaining its unmistakable features and an authenticity that make it unique. The latest iteration of this legendary model, the Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corsa, made a surprise debut during the 2023 Moto Guzzi Open House, captivating thousands of enthusiastic fans who gathered in Mandello del Lario, Italy, for this highly anticipated event, a favorite of Guzzisti worldwide. The Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corsa represents a return to the V7's classic sportiness with modern amenities, marked by its elegant lines that flow from the small fairing to the solo-style saddle. These design elements evoke the thrilling ambience of bygone racing eras, which was rekindled in 2019 with the Moto Guzzi Fast Endurance, a single-brand racing series that has allowed many riders to enjoy the thrill of racing on V7 machines. Powering the V7 Stone Corsa is an air-cooled 853 cubic centimeters 90-degree V-twin with 2 valves per cylinder that makes a claimed 65 horsepower at 6,800 RPM and 54 lb-ft of torque at 5,000 RPM, and it has a 6-speed transmission. The new V7 Stone Corsa stands out with its brand new two-tone livery, also a tribute to the golden age of motorcycle racing. The metallic gray color scheme is livened up by an aggressive red stripe that runs vertically along the top fairing, then continuing along the lower part of the fuel tank and on the side panels. Color-coded to match the body, the hard cover for the rear portion of the saddle is available as an accessory, making it a true single-seater in pure racing style. The round LED eagle emblazoned headlight it left on proud display. The bar clamp is a special Corsa piece, reminding you when you look down at the LCD clock that you are riding a special edition of the V7. For those who ride solo, a two-tone passenger seat cowl that matches the tank and fairing is available as an option. Suspension consists of a non-adjustable 40mm fork and dual preload adjustable shocks. It rolls on cast wheels, 18-inch front, 17-inch rear, and has Brembo brakes, with a 4-piston caliper squeezing a 320mm disc in front and a 2-piston caliper squeezing a 260mm disc out back. The equipment package further elevates the V7 Stone Corsa's aesthetics and performance, with bar and mirrors, a black anodized billet aluminum fuel cap, and a distinctive plate on the handlebar clamp denoting the Corsa's special status. The fork gaiters found on the standard V7 Stone have been removed to give the V7 Stone Corsa a sleeker appearance. The V7 Stone Corsa is an exclusive model with a racing spirit. Designed to let you experience the classic sportiness of Mandello's bikes, it comes in a two-tone livery in red and silver. The color scheme combines with a stylish fairing that nods to fast endurance races and a special saddle with a single seat to evoke the fascinating atmosphere of the world of Moto Guzzi racing.